Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Instagram messages by both sides or from the both sides step by step. So let's get started. The first thing, we go and open the Instagram app. And after opening the Instagram app, you enter to the conversation in which you want to delete the message or the messages. So, for example, I want to delete the last picture that I sent to this account. You just need to do a long click, maybe 3 to 4 to 5 seconds click. And after that, as you can see, there is 3 options: unsend, save, and like. So to delete this message from both sides, you just need to click on unsend message. And like that, this message will disappear from both sides. You will not find it in the future, and the other side and the other person too will not find this message in the future. By the way, just a little information: if you delete a message from Instagram from both sides, you can't recover this message. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.